The story of the Prophet Muhammad. Once upon a time in the city of Mecca, there lived a man named Muhammad. He was a humble merchant and spent much of his time in contemplation and prayer. One night, while Muhammad was meditating in a cave outside the city, an angel named Gabriel appeared to him. Gabriel told Muhammad that he had been chosen by Allah to be a prophet and to spread the message of Islam to the people of Arabia. At first, Muhammad was unsure of his mission, but he soon found the courage to spread the word of Allah. He began preaching about the oneness of Allah and the importance of charity, honesty, and kindness. His message was simple but powerful, and many people began to follow him. However, Muhammad faced many challenges and opposition from the people of Mecca who did not believe in his message. They ridiculed and persecuted him and his followers, but he remained faithful to his faith and continued to spread the message of Islam. After years of preaching, Muhammad and his followers were forced to flee Mecca and take refuge in Medina. He established a community of believers and continued to spread the message of Islam. Under his leadership, the Muslim community grew and eventually became a powerful force in Arabia. Muhammad's teachings and actions continue to inspire millions of Muslims around the world to this day. In the end, Muhammad passed away, but his legacy lives on and he remains one of the most revered and respected figures in Islamic history. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.